I believe that anyone who is interested in knowing about China and in knowing how China is governed, how China has progressed, it is extremely important to study the thoughts of President Xi Jinping. So, as an Indian who is interested in promoting friendship with China, I consider the third volume of Governance of China extremely useful, and it is a very timely addition to the literature on China's progress, China's governance, and most importantly for overseas readers, on how we can create a better world of peace and development for all. There is a strong focus on the need for a new governance model for the world, global governance, which takes care of the needs of the people of the world, all the countries, on the basis of equality, whether they are poor or rich, big or small, they all should be participating in the governance of the world, which is a very welcome idea coming from the third volume.